nighttime passes, but the dark remains. And I was feeling like a little child, but I unload to place blame on that lioness-esque woman who will go here unnamed. She was looking at me for a lion when she found it so tame. On that erstwhile May morning, I took the 6 downtown to Spring, and I was writing something elegiac that I never learned to sing. But I think that it was this song, just 4 years premature. And I remember crossing out the line, all is fair in love and war. Well, if all is fair in love and war, then I don't know what we are fighting for. 'Cause my baby, she's a real peach, even when the night comes crashing down. Real peach, and the nighttime rolls away. Alright, and we're coming back to the demon killing work of love. My God. Well, nighttime passes and the dark retreats. I hand it over to my upper angel, who visits me in sleep. We're in the field beyond the right and wrong, and the fallacy of form. Well, you can call it what you want to call it. I could say that all is fair in love and war. Well, if all is fair in love and war, then I don't know what we are fighting for. So if we don't care to fight no more, let's go upstairs and let's shut the door. 'Cause my baby, she's a real peach, even when the night comes crashing down.